Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, in today's hyper-connected world, payment systems are faster and more vulnerable than ever. Contactless payment are everywhere. Just tap and go. No pin, no signature. Absolutely convenience. But that speed comes with serious risk. Now here are the dangers hiding beneath the surface. Yes, unauthorized transaction, card data cloning, mobile app vulnerability, complex, often weak security protocol, limited user protections after fraud. Difference, let's walk through a real world criminal scheme targeting contactless system. In your day-to-day life, how often do you use contactless payment? Drop your answer in the comments. Type yes if it's your default. Type no if you are more caution. And you might be surprised by your own answer. And by sharing it, you're helping others see just how common or risky this habit has become. And dear friends, if this video opened your eyes to something new, hit that like button to support the content. Share it with a friend who use tap and pay every day and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.